Hello, everyone. Welcome to Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy. My name is Diana, and today we're going on a colorful and delicious adventure. We'll be learning about colors by making a fruit salad. Can you guess what colors we'll find? Let's start. Let's start by looking at our colorful fruits. Here's a bright yellow banana, a deep red apple, a juicy orange, and a shiny green kiwi. What colors can you see in our fruit bowl? Shout it out. Great guesses, everyone. Now, can you find the color red in this fruit bowl? How about yellow? Let's see if you can name all the colors you see. Now it's time to prepare our fruit salad. First, let's wash our fruits. Then, we'll chop them into small pieces. Watch closely as I cut each fruit and call out its color. Let's start with this shiny red apple. I'm cutting it into small cubes, perfect for our colorful fruit salad. Apples are not just delicious, but also a wonderful source of fiber. Next, we have a banana, soft, sweet, and a favorite for many. Let's slice it up and add its cheerful yellow to our salad. This orange is full of vitamin C and such a bright color. I'm cutting it into small chunks to make it easier to eat. Here's a kiwi, green and juicy inside. Let's chop it into little cubes to add a tropical touch to our salad. These grapes are so juicy. I'm cutting some of them in half to make them easier to eat. They'll add a pop of purple to our salad. Strawberries are a perfect addition to our salad. Sweet, tangy, and full of vibrant red color. This golden pineapple is the star of our fruit salad. It's sweet, tangy, and so refreshing. Watermelon is such a refreshing treat. I'm cutting it into cubes to add a splash of red and green to our salad. Finally, we have these tiny blueberries, deep blue and full of flavor. Into the bowl they go. Now it's time to prepare our fruit salad. Now we mix all these chopped fruit cubes in a large glass bowl. Let's start. Our fruit salad is ready. Look at all these beautiful colors: red, yellow, green, and orange. Now it's time to taste it. Can you spot your favorite color in the bowl? Sweet learners, now I will tell you one by one about the names and colors of all the fruits that are used in our delicious fruit salad. Here's a bright red apple. Isn't it a beautiful color? This is a yellow banana. It's so vibrant and cheerful. This is an orange, bright and juicy, just like the color. Here's a green kiwi. It's small, fuzzy, and packed with flavor. This golden mango is a mix of yellow and orange, a tropical treat. Look at these juicy grapes. They can be green or purple. Which do you like? These bright red strawberries are so sweet and fun to eat. This is a pineapple with its spiky skin and golden yellow inside. Here's a slice of juicy watermelon. It's green on the outside and red on the inside. These tiny blueberries are deep blue. They're small, but so delicious. I hope you had as much fun learning about fruits and colors as I did. Remember, you can practice spotting colors in fruits and other things around you every day. Why not try making your own colorful fruit salad at home and share your favorite fruit in the comments below? I'd love to hear from you. Today we learned so many colors with our fruit salad. Remember to look for colors in your food every day. What's your favorite colorful fruit? Tell me in the comments below. See you next time.